What's good, guys? This is Mango 392 back at it with another video. And today is going to be a special day. I've been waiting for this for the longest. I've been waiting for this mod to come in, and today is finally here. But anyway, guys, if you're new to the channel, be sure to click that red button. Also, give this video a thumbs up. And over to the far right, go ahead and click that bell for all notifications on when I drop a video. But yeah, today's gonna be a special day, guys, so I want you guys to stay tuned with me, and you'll see it's about to happen. All right, let's get it.
Whatever it is, I've got just the cure for it.
What's up, guys? So I'm back. So finally, after a couple of hours, we got everything done. I'm pretty happy the way the way the rims came out. Now, I want you guys to understand the concept that I'm going for is to keep the mango or the orange look on the car, but also add black to it to make the colors pop. So if you do the next set of videos, you'll see what I'm talking about. So what I'm trying to do is keep the mango color, but add black to make it pop out even more. And I thought these rims would definitely do that, and it has. I have to do one more thing and you guys will see. But anyway, enough of me talking. I'm happy except for one thing, and we'll talk about that after I show you the rims. But other than that, I'm very, very happy of what the outcome is looking like when it comes to the car. All right, so check this out, guys. All right, guys, so there you have it. What I did, it took about 2 weeks for them to come. So I ordered the replica Hellcat Charger wheels from Factory Reproductions. So shout out to Factory Reproductions. Great customer service. Like I said, they told me that the order was on back order because so many people are ordering them. But I've always wanted those wheels. For some reason, I just think they look real sleek and just make the Charger look more aggressive. And I like that 5-spoke. Excuse me, that's my black view. I love the 5-spoke, especially because she just will not stop talking. Anyway, I apologize, guys. But anyway, I like the 5-spokes because, as you can see, I painted the calipers mango to match the color of my car. So if you can see, I'm going for that black and orange combination just to give the car pop. It's the little small things that I said in the past video to make it really pop, and that's what I'm going for as I start to bring these videos and mod the car even more. The only bad thing about factory reproductions is that they don't come with the lug nuts. So you see, the only thing that really sticks out is those silver lug nuts that I had to buy from O'Reilly's just to get those rims on, which is not a problem, but I prefer all black. So what I'm gonna do is go online, and from what everybody's saying that I've talked with, Gorilla Nuts is the way to go. So I'm gonna get online, order them. I think they're like $50 and up, but it'll keep the consistency of the black. But anyway, I ordered that, the 4 rims in matte black. Great price. I forgot the price. I think the price came to total like I want to say, I think $800. Yeah. So shouts out to Factory Reproductions on the excellent customer service. Everything came packaged right, installed greatly. Also, I didn't tell you guys too, from the beginning of the video at La Mesa Tires, I bumped up my tires. So I have 275s all around. So it's, you know, a whole lot meatier, and the grip, like everybody has said on YouTube, is phenomenal. So all you guys that's still on those 245s that come stock with the Scatpack, get rid of them. I figured now I'm gonna go 275s, and then maybe eventually later on I might go ahead and bump up, do the stagger look, put 305s in the back and leave the 275s in the front. But right now I wanted to go with the 275s all the way around, along with the Hellcat replica rims that I got from Factory Reproduction. But I think they look good. They look excellent. I'm excited. The only thing that I'm not happy about is those silver lug nuts. But I will have to go online, order the Gorilla nuts that come in black, and then from there, I'll just have those taken out and do another video on the all black. But like I said, the 5-spoke was what I'm going for to bring out the orange caliper, which I thought that Factory Reproductions did with their rims, and I just, for some reason, call me crazy, but I love that 5-spoke Hellcat rims. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. Man, I'm super excited. Now I'm probably gonna go home and go online and order these lug nuts, just so that everything is blacked out. But I like the way it looks, like I said, for the exception of the silver lug nuts, but there's nothing I can do about it. But anyway, guys, that'll do it. Stay tuned. I got some more mods coming in. I'm waiting for one more to come in, and I've ordered some more. With this pandemic going on, everything is kind of slow, so just bear with me as I put out these videos. But if you guys like this, please give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for all notifications on when I drop a video. Until next time, guys, stay safe out there, wash your hands, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.